this journey that defines their life.
Some places to do things that they are not supposed to. The children are willing. The children who are involved in these malpractices, it is the adults. They are the ones. It is not completely true that the 1 million is not enough. There was an assessment, BQs were done, and it is equivalent. And we've seen the 3,500 classrooms that have already been done with that 1 million shillings, and they are complete. Well, in fact, the timelines per class is between 4 and 8 weeks. Every time and the starting, the arrangement was they do not start the construction unless the money is in the school accounts. That way there is no question of delay, there is no question of variation. So once they start, they don't stop.